My name is Vinay Anand and I am currently working in Dubai in the hospitality industry. I owe much of my success to the education and training that I received at Dijon College of Hotel Management. During my time at the college, I had the opportunity to learn from some of the best teachers in the field. Their guidance, encouragement, and expertise helped me to develop the skills and knowledge that I needed to excel in the hospitality industry. The hands-on training that I received during my course, work, and internship was invaluable in preparing me for the real-world challenges of this industry. I am proud to say that I completed my training at the Millennium Hotels and I am currently working with the Address Group of Hotels in Dubai. The education and training that I received at Dijon College of Hotel Management helped me secure a position with these prestigious hotel brands. I am truly grateful for the opportunities that this education has opened up for me. I like to thank the faculty, staff, the administration of Dijon College of Hotel Management for the dedication and support. The education and training that I received at your institution have played a significant role in shaping my career and I will always be grateful for that. I would highly recommend Dijon College of Hotel Management to anyone who is looking for an excellent education and training in the field of hospitality. Thank you again for everything. Sincerely, Vinay Anand. Thank you.